Hola Farmsteaders.
Hola.
We are Mac.
And Jose.
And we are Uper Country Farms.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the farmstead. Yeah. Okay, so it is going to be about 36 degrees today. It's beautiful. It's very warm out. Well, warm for up here. So Jose and I know that we need to get some organization done.
Oh, yeah.
I never realized when we started a farm how much there would be in equipment, products. I mean, you're talking fencing, you're talking the irrigation system, you're talking what we need for the hoop house structures, what we need for inside the greenhouse, what we feed the animals with, what we need for our tractor and our tractor implements, and all of the wood we've accumulated to build things. There is so much here on the farm. So during these first few warm days of the year, well, warm, we want to start getting this place organized, because one of the things that is so frustrating and that I find difficult is if I can't find something, or you know, you have to step over things to get into different areas. It's very frustrating.
Yeah, it is.
So today we're going to start by organizing the feed area for the animals, because right now it's spread out all over the place. We used to keep it in the other garage because that's where we housed the rabbits last winter, but now it's not useful over there.
Nope.
And we're trying to tear out the building where we had the feed, so we're going to move it over here. So this little area behind us is going to become the feed storage area, so we'll keep our bales of straw, our bales of hay, and the bedding and all the feed that we use for the animals. Also, the other thing is all their water dishes and feed dishes. I mean, there are so many things you don't think about when you start a farm.
Yeah.
So we're going to clean and organize this area and turn it into feed storage.
Okay.
Okay, so we got the area cleaned, pretty much. We need to bring the wheelbarrow over and get all this excess hay out of here, but you know who will love that? The ducks.
They will be happy.
Yes, they love to dig through stuff. So they're going to love this pile of hay that's on the floor here. Now what we need to do is go over to the sauna in the garage that we've been ripping out and get this shelf that we built in there. And I think, Jose, we might have to take it apart.
Well, we'll see.
All right, Jose, what do you think?
It's not too bad.
I'm less worried about the weight and more worried about the size of it. We're going to have to get this wall out.
Yeah.
Which means we're going to have to get all of this brick cleaned up right down here. So, Jose, I think I need to go make lunch. Why don't you stay out here and clean up all this brick? We have eaten lunch, and we need to get this big shelf out of this area. So I think some of these studs, which I use that term kind of loosely because most of them are pretty eaten up at this point. We need to get these out of the way so we can get the shelf out of here. Oh, look at you. You're a smart man. Here, do the heavy lifting. Come. Wow, manly. Do it again, do it again. Apparently the old sauna is stronger than Jose. This little nail, I cannot get out of the wood. Jose, can you get this for me? Surprisingly, he has a bigger tool than I do. Things well worth the investment. Yeah, I think right in this space. What do you think? Okay. So, well, first we probably need to. How do you want to handle it?
Just.
feed area. It looks really nice. And I'm very excited because now I can organize it. The next thing we're going to do is this corner over here is going to be for all of the gardening stuff. So the cedars, all of our plastic, all of our agribon to cover all the row covers, all the stuff for the hoop houses is all going to go over here. So what we're going to do is build some shelving that's about 12 feet long here that most of that stuff can sit on. All this stuff we bought for this coming season. Like, we just have a lot of stuff to get up off the floor. So that's what we're working on.
Okay, let's go.
That was a good day.
That's a good day.
We didn't quite get this shelf done, but it's definitely time to do chores. We're about 45 minutes late for doing chores, so we probably need to get started on that before the animals get upset.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so we did get the area done for the feed, and we have most of the shelf built. We have the frame built for this shelf over here in the garden area, which I'm very excited about. It'd be so nice to get this stuff out of the way because we have been tripping over and stepping over and walking over, and yeah, we're done. So every 2 weeks, Jose and I go to the feed store and we pick up a lot of feed to make sure everybody stays fed on the farm. So this week we picked up 2 bales of hay,
Yeah.
15 bags of layer feed for the chickens, 3 bags of rabbit food, and then I picked up some bedding, 4 bags of pine shavings. So I'm so excited because we get to use our new feed area. So we're gonna offload the truck and load up the feed area.
Come see.
Feed is all unloaded now.
Yes, it is.
What makes me sad is now that the feed is unloaded, I have to clean cages and finish chores, and Jose gets to go work with my dad. Do you want to switch places today?
Okay.
He doesn't want to switch places with me. All right, Jose, let's get to work.
All right. Good job.
Okay, so now I just need to empty these buckets, and then it's time for a cup of hot coffee and a 15-minute break. Maybe 20 minutes. Shh, don't tell the boss. It's about 30 degrees colder out here than it was the other day when we were working.
Yeah.
Oh, 30 degrees. We went from over 30, now it's 0. And it's miserable. So we're going to try to get this shelf done today, though, because I'm so tired of the mess in this garage. Safety first. Puppies. No, it's fine. We're just going to do this and then we're done. Alright. Then we need to get some big boards. So these big boards here were taken out of the barn that used to be here. We're going to use these for our shelves, because there's really nothing else to do with them right now. Wow. It totally got stuck in that little crack. All right. Oh, it is so cold. Okay, no more working in 1 degree days.
No.
It's way too cold out here. So now I'm just gonna put a few more things up on the shelf and we're all done.
Yep. Ready to go.
Yeah, thank you, Jose.
Yep. Thank you.
It's gonna be nice to have all this stuff off the ground. So that's some farm organization getting done here on very cold days in the middle of winter. All right, if you are a homesteader or a farmsteader, you live in or love the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, we hope you'll subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up. Again, we are Mac,
Jose.
and this is Upper Country Farms.
Time to coffee.
Coffee, let's go! Or beer. Is it after 3?
No.
Not
yet.
All right, coffee then. Okay, so let me I want to put these up off